Dear students and listeners, welcome to Max KCC channel. Today we have to discuss about some problems in area in application of integrals, NCERT syllabus. The problems comes under miscellaneous exercise in unit 8, chapter 8. So fifth problem, find the area bounded by the curve y is equal to sin x between x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 2 pi. We know about y is equal to sin x. The sin x means the curve at x is equal to n pi, pi 0, 2 pi, 2 pi and so on. So listen here. So sin 0 is 0, sin pi by 2 is 1, sin pi is 0. So the maximum value of sin x is 1 and minimum value of sin x is minus 1. You know that. So listen. So 0 to pi and pi to 2 pi. So pi by 2, 3 pi by 2. The curve increases when x is equal to 0 to pi by 2 and decreases when x is equal to pi by 2 to pi and so on. So listen, now we have to find the area of the curve y is equal to sin x from x is equal to 0 to 2 pi. 0 to 2 pi we have two parts. In 0 to pi the curve lies above x-axis and pi to 2 pi the curve lies below x-axis. So required area is equal to integration 0 to pi y dx plus integration pi to 2 pi minus y dx because the curve lies below x-axis. So which is equal to integration 0 to pi, y is sin x, we know that sin x dx plus minus integration pi to 2 pi sin x dx. Integration sin x is minus cos x over 0 to pi plus integration sin x is minus cos x, if we have a minus, so plus cos x over pi to 2 pi. So minus cos pi minus 0, we are applying the limits, minus cos 0 plus cos 2 pi minus cos pi. So which is equal to minus cos pi minus 1, minus of minus 1 plus 1, minus cos 0 1, cos pi. So plus cos 0, while applying lower limit we have a minus, so plus cos 0 plus 1, cos 2 pi 1, cos pi minus 1, minus into minus plus. So 4 square units is the area of the region bounded by the curve y is equal to sin x and x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 2 pi and x-axis. Next sum, listeners. Sixth problem, find the area enclosed between parabola y square is equal to 4ax and the line y is equal to mx. So y square is equal to 4ax, open rightwards, y is equal to mx as the line passes through the origin. Now we have to find the points of intersection. So listen here, y is equal to mx and y square is equal to 4ax are the given curves. We can substitute y is equal to mx in the equation of parabola. So we get mx the whole square equal to 4ax. So m square x square equal to 4ax. So m square x square minus 4ax is equal to 0. So x into m square x minus 4a equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 or m square x minus 4a equal to 0. So m square x equal to 4a. So x is equal to 4a by m square. X is equal to 0 or x is equal to 4a by m square. So while applying, when x is 0, y is 0. So y square is equal to 4ax. Clearly the curve passes through the origin. Origin is the vertex of the parabola. So when x is 0, y is 0. So put x is equal to 4a by m square in the equation of parabola y square is equal to 4ax. Instead of x, put 4a by m square. So we will get y square is equal to 4a into 4a by m square. So y is equal to 4a by m. Root of 4a into 4a by m square. Therefore y is equal to 4a by m. Now points of intersection 0, 0 and 4a, m square, 4a, m. So listen here. So this is the point of intersection 4a, m square, 4a by m. 4a by m square, 4a by m. So now required area A is equal to integration a to b y1 minus y2 into dx. So here curve lies above. So first you have to take parabola, then line. So listen here. Integration a to b. Instead of a and b, substitute 0 to 4a by m square. Limit on x-axis is 0 to 4a by m square. So integration 0 to 4a by m square y1 minus y2 into dx. So parabola y square is equal to 4ax, y is equal to plus or minus 2 into root a root x, minus is invalid here. So y is equal to 2 into root a root x. So we can substitute here. So instead of parabola equation, so 2 into root a into root x minus, so area of the parabola minus line in the required region, shaded region. So line y is equal to mx, so minus mx into dx. So integration 0 to a 2 root a into x power 1 by 2 minus mx into dx. So which is equal to 2 root a into x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 minus m into x square by 2 over 0 to 4a by m square. So next line 2 into 2 by 3 root a into x power 3 by 2 minus m into x square by 2 0 to 4a by m square. So apply the limits. So we get 4 by 3 into root a into 4a by m square the whole power 3 by 2 minus m into, instead of x square, 4a by m square, therefore 16a square by m power 4 into 2. So we know that 4 by 3 into root a into square root of 4a by m square the whole cube. So we can write 4a by m square into 4 root a by m. 2 root a by m. So minus m power 4 m cube 2 8. So minus 8a square by m cube. So listen here, 4 into 4 16 into 2 32a root a into root a, so 32a square by 3m cube minus 8a square by m cube. So we can simplify. LCM is 3m cube. So 32a square minus 24a square by 3m cube. So 8a square by 3m cube. Square units is the required area of the parabola y square is equal to 4ax and the line y is equal to mx. So next problem, find the area enclosed by the parabola 4y is equal to 3x square and the line 2y is equal to 3x plus 12. Problem number 7. So now parabola opens upward, 4y is equal to 3x square. Now we have to draw the line. So line is 2y is equal to 3x plus 12. If you put x is equal to 0, we get y is equal to 6. When substituting y is equal to 0, we get x is equal to minus 4. So 0, 6 and minus 4, 0 are the points where the line intersect at the coordinate axis. So listen here, now we can draw the line. So 0, 6 and minus 4, 0. If we join, we will get the line. Now we have drawn the line. 2y is equal to 3x plus 12. Now it's our duty to find the point of intersection of line and parabola. This is the shaded portion. We have to find the area. So now, equation of line 2y is equal to 3x plus 2. Equation of parabola 4y is equal to 3x square, taken as 1 and 2 respectively. So listen here, now substitute 2 in 1. So we get 4y. So 2 into, instead of 2y, we can substitute 3x plus 12 equal to 3x square. So we can take out 3. 3 can be taken out. So 2 into 3 into x plus 4 is equal to 3x square. 3 get cancelled. So 2x plus 8 is equal to x square. So x square minus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. So factors are x minus 4 into x plus 2. You are able to find the factors, so no problem. Now when x is equal to 4, what is y? Substitute here. So 2y is equal to 3x plus 12. So when x is 4, 2y is equal to 24. So y is equal to 12. So y is equal to 12. When x is equal to minus 2, substitute here. 3 into minus 2 minus 6 plus 12 is 6. 2y is equal to 6. Therefore y is equal to 3. So 4, 12 and minus 2, 3 are the point of intersection. Dear listeners, please subscribe our channel to get the videos. So next, required area A is equal to integration. Now before that we have to note down the limits. So point of intersection 4, 12 and minus 2, 3. So limit on x-axis is x is equal to minus 2 to x is equal to 4. So integration minus 2 to 4, y1 minus y2 into dx. Here line lies above, so line's equation is to be taken first, then parabola. So listen here, right, integration minus 2 to 4, y1. So 2y is equal to 3x plus 12. So y is equal to 3x plus 12 by 2. So 3x plus 12 by 2 minus y is equal, 4y is equal to 3x square, y is equal to 3x square by 4. So 3x square by 4 into dx. So minus 2 to 4, integration minus 2 to 4, 3x by 2 plus 12 by 2 minus 3x square by 4 into dx. So which is equal to 3 by 2 into integration x dx is x square by 2, 12 by 2 6, so 6x minus 3 by 4 into x cube by 3 over minus 2 to 4. 3 gets cancelled. So 3 x square by 4 plus 6x minus x cube by 4 over minus 2 to 4. Now apply the limits. So we get 3 by 4 into x square is 16, 4 square 16 plus 6 into 4, 24 minus 4 cube, 64 by 4. And apply the lower limit, we get minus 3 by 4 into 2 square 4 minus into minus plus 12, 6 into 2 12 minus, while applying lower limit we get a minus, here we have minus into minus plus, minus 2 the whole cube is minus 8. So minus 8 by 4. Minus 2, 64 by 4, 16. So 4. So now we have 3 into 4, 12 plus 24 minus 16 minus 3 plus 12 minus 2. So 12 plus 24 plus 12, 48 minus 16 minus 3 minus 2 minus 21. So 48 minus 21 is equal to 27 square units. Okay viewers, I hope that you understood my class. So please like if you understood my class. Thank you for watching and subscribe my channel. Thank you once again.